If you want to get dramatically better at extractions, one of the most important things is being able to see what you're doing. One of the ways that I see what I'm doing as I'm extracting teeth is I use 4 different types of suction. Not all at the same time, but I use 4 types in different situations. Here's what they are. The first thing that I use for just about every extraction is an Isodry. An Isodry is a bite block combined with a throat screen. It's a piece that retracts the tongue and the cheek, and it suctions for me as I'm working. So it's a great backup. It keeps the fluids out of the patient's throat, and it allows me to work unobstructed. The second suction tip that I use is a green disposable plastic suction tip. There's nothing fancy about these things, but they do work well for just general bleeding and saliva that's in around the tooth as you're working to get it out with your forceps or elevators. The third type of suction that I'll switch to is a white suction tip. Now we do this when a tooth breaks off. If you're using a white suction routinely, not a great idea because they plug up really easily. But if you need to get in to see a root tip, they're great because the lumen's smaller on the end and you can get down further into the socket. So if a tooth breaks on us, my assistant switches immediately to a smaller type of suction so that we can get better access and visibility to that little root tip. Finally, when I'm sectioning teeth, I will have my assistant use just a regular high volume suction. It has a larger lumen so that if any chunks of restorations or tooth break away as we're sectioning the tooth, it goes right up the suction and keeps it out of the patient's mouth, and it keeps up really well to the water spray where you can use a little more water to keep the tooth cool and cut more efficiently.